tape it, and make it. Hello everyone! In this video, we will show you a taping technique for the biceps, the front upper arm. For this, we need a strip of Kintex classic tape. We measure the length from the front of the shoulder to the crook of the arm. We cut the tape 2 inches at the top, leave a base of about 2 inches, and cut the rest completely, rounding the corners. And now we can start with the taping technique. For the taping technique, we let the arm go backwards to get into a pre-stretch. First, we tear the backing paper above the base and apply it with full pull above the elbow. We let the 2 short strips run out without tension, up and down. Now loosen the backing paper of the upper long strip and place it under tension around the biceps, above the shoulder. Attach the end of this strip without pulling. Take the second strip, pulling it also under tension, this time below the biceps up to the shoulder. Finally, once more from the middle outwards, rubbing everything to increase the adhesive strength. Thank you for using Kintex. Tape it and make it.